How to fix Uber app location problem. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Uber app location problem. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're using the latest version of the Uber app. To check, you want to open up Play Store or App Store. Then search for Uber. Here, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Updating the application will fix many issues. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, you want to open up your settings. Now, scroll down and tap on the apps option. From this list of applications, you want to scroll and find the Uber app. Now tap on that. Here tap on the permissions option. Make sure that location is allowed. So if it is not allowed, you want to tap on the allow option over here. Also make sure you have toggled on the use precise location option. When precise location is off, apps can access your approximate location. So for Uber, you want to make sure that precise location is turned on. Now you want to head back. Here tap on the storage option. Tap on clear cache. Once the cache has been cleared, head back. Now tap on the force stop option. Tap on OK. Once that is done, you want to restart your device. Now, after restarting your device, open the Uber app and this location problem will be fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.